Hello guys, this is Saurabh, or in this video I'm going to show you how to make live score app using MIT App Inventor. So here we are going to use MIT App Inventor to create our Android app, right? So MIT App Inventor 2. In this app we will show live cricket score, right? So open MIT App Inventor 2 right here, and then you need to sign up and then sign in, same process, and then I have to sign in. Right here is my account, sign in option, and this will take okay, right click on your account, which one you want to use, and then now this will open the dashboard of MIT App Inventor. So right here you will see here is our dashboard, right? So now I'm going to click on start new project here, click on this, and okay, that's one is my previous project, my project, and click on start new project, and your app name cricket live score, right? And click on OK. Wait some seconds to open your screens. Okay, that one is our first screen right here, and now we need to drag and drop one browser. You will see here web browser, that one, and now drag and drop this like this. And first thing you need to use here layout, because it's important, right? So I'm going to just delete this one first, and using here one layout, and layout option is here you will see the layout, click on layout, and now open here vertical arrangement like this, and height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. Now we are going to use here web browser, right? So drag and drop your web browser. Now we have to show a live score of cricket, so I'm going to use here some website like qwexvnkl, that one, and open this website here like this, and you can choose any website, right? First option is website. You have to implement your this website in your app, and click on live score. And second option is that you need to call API keys, but you have to buy this API key, right? So this one is free of cost, so don't worry about this. And MIT App Inventor, and then click on web browser. Here you will see home URL, and paste your URL. You have to copy this URL live score, go to MIT App Inventor and paste here like this, right? And now ignore SSL errors, and you don't need to do anything right now, and click on screen. You can define your name and app name here, welcome like this, okay, and nothing. Now if you want to change your logo, so you need to click on screen 1, and you will see the option of here title, theme, fix, primary color, screen animation, icon, right? You need to define your icon. It's something 52 by 52 something, so you have to define here, and this will take default icon also, so don't worry about this. And now we need to export our APK file, right? So that one is our simple app. Now I'm going to show you first build, save APK to computer, or provide QR code for it. So provide QR code for APK. Now I'm going to download this app in my mobile, Android mobile, and you will see MIT App Inventor. You need to download, or if you have any QR reader app, so you can read this code, and this will give you one link, okay, to download your app, right? So I'm going to scan this one, and after scanning I will get one URL, and go to your browser. Then you need to download this app, right? So I already have this one, so I'm going to show you how to download and how it's look, right? So let's see. Okay, after installing this app you will get this result like this here, and you can see here live scores like, and you will not see here URL, right, like this. So that's one is our very simple app to show cricket live score, right? And you can upload this app in Play Store and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.